Hello everyone, welcome to Cracku video series. In this video, we are going to discuss some important GK questions for topic National Parks and Wildlife Sanctuaries. This video is part of our GK video series for the MBA entrance exam, that is XAT, TISSNET and CMAT. You can check out the crash courses, mocks and previous papers of these exams on our website, that is cracku.in. The link to all these resources are mentioned in the description box. Let's start with today's session. Dugong is the key fauna of which biosphere reserve? The correct answer is D, that is Gulf of Mannar. Dugongs can be spotted in the Parkway and Gulf of Mannar of the coast of Tamil Nadu, which is now the most significant surviving natural habitat for dugongs globally. In which of the following states Manas National Park is situated? The correct answer is C, that is Assam. So Manas National Park is a national park, UNESCO Natural World Heritage Site, Project Tiger Reserve, Biosphere Reserve and an Elephant Reserve in Assam. And the park is known for its rare and endangered endemic wildlife such as the Assam roofed turtle, hispid hare, golden langur and pygmy hog. Manas is famous for its population of the wild water buffalo. In which of the following state of India the only floating park in the world is situated? The correct answer is B, that is Manipur. So the Kaibul Lamjo National Park is a national park in the Bishanpur district of the state of Manipur and it is 40 km in area and the only floating park in the world. The national park is categorized by floating decomposed plant material called Fumdi and it is created in 1966 as a wildlife sanctuary to preserve the natural habitat of the endangered elk deer, and in 1977 it was gazetted as national park. The Vikramshila Gangetic Dolphin Sanctuary is located in, the correct answer is C, that is Bhagalpur. So Vikramshila Gigantic Dolphin Sanctuary is in Bhagalpur district of Bihar. The sanctuary is 60 kilometers stretch of the Ganges river from Sultanganj to Kahalgaon in the Bhagalpur district. The Guindy National Park is located in Dash. The correct answer is D, that is Tamil Nadu. So Guindy National Park is a 2.70 km protected area of Tamil Nadu which is located in Chennai and it is the 8th smallest national park of India and one of the very few national parks situated inside a city. In which of the following state is the Similipal Biosphere Reserve located? The correct answer is B, that is Odisha. Similipal is a tiger reserve in the Mayurbhanj district in the Indian state of Odisha which is covering 2750 kilometers and it is a part of Mayurbhanj Elephant Reserve which includes 3 protected areas, that is Similipal Tiger Reserve, Hadgad Wildlife Sanctuary and Kuldiha Wildlife Sanctuary. Dachigam National Park is located in Dash. The correct answer is B, that is Jammu and Kashmir. Dachigam National Park is a national park located in 22 kilometers from Srinagar city. The name of park literally stands for 10 villages which is in the memory of the 10 villages that were located for its formation. These 10 villages were living in this region before the World War I and in the beginning of the 20th century. Pench National Park is situated in which state? The correct answer is C, that is Madhya Pradesh. Pench National Park, nestling in the lower southern reaches of the Satpura Hills, is named after Pench River and meandering through the park from north to south. It is located on the southern boundary of Madhya Pradesh. Anshi Dandeli Tiger Reserve is located in the state of Dash. The correct answer is A, that is Karnataka. So Anshi National Park is a protected area and tiger reserve and it is located in Uttarakhand district in Karnataka. and the park is a habitat of Bengal tigers, black panthers and Indian elephants among other distinctive fauna. And the Kali river flows through the tiger reserve and is the lifeline of the ecosystem. So the tiger reserve is spread over an area of 1300 square kilometer. Sandi Bird Sanctuary is located in which of the following state? The correct answer is D, that is Uttar Pradesh. Sandi Bird Sanctuary is a bird sanctuary in Hardoi district of Uttar Pradesh. Sandi Bird Sanctuary is 1 kilometer from Sandi town on main road at Nawabganj. Which one of the following national park sanctuary is not in Rajasthan? The correct answer is C, that is Rajaji National Park. Rest all three are in Rajasthan. So Rajaji National Park is a national park and tiger reserve. So Rajaji National Park is an Indian national park and tiger reserve that encompasses the Shivaliks near the foothills of the Himalayas. In 1983, 3 wildlife sanctuaries in the area, namely Chilla, Motichur and Rajaji, were merged into one. The Union Environment Ministry has decided to declare Sathymangalam Wildlife Sanctuary a tiger reserve. The sanctuary is in which state? The correct answer is A, that is Tamil Nadu. The Sathymangalam Forest Division is a part of Brahmagiri Nilgiri's Eastern Ghats Elephant Reserve. The Sathymangalam Forest Division was declared as a wildlife sanctuary and enlarged in 2011. Sathymangalam Tiger Reserve is 4th tiger reserve in the state of Tamil Nadu as a part of Project Tiger, and it is the 3rd largest tiger reserve in Tamil Nadu. Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary is in dash. The correct answer is D, that is Andhra Pradesh. So Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary is a estuary situated near Kakinada in Andhra Pradesh. Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary is a sanctuary situated near Kakinada in Andhra Pradesh, and it is the 3rd largest stretch of mangrove forest in India. Hemis National Park is located in the state of, the correct answer is E, that is Jammu and Kashmir. So Hemis National Park is a high elevation national park in Ladakh and globally famous for its snow leopard. It is believed to have the highest density of them in any protected area in the world. And it is a national park in India that is north of Himalayas, the largest notified protected area in India and the 2nd largest contiguous protected area after the Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve. Kishtwar National Park is located in which state of India? The correct answer is B, that is Jammu and Kashmir. Kishtwar National Park is a national park located in Kishtwar district, Jammu and Kashmir, and it is bounded to the north by Rinai River, south by Kibar Nala catchment. Mukriti National Park is located in which of the following Indian state? The correct answer is C, that is Tamil Nadu. Mukriti National Park located in the western corner of the Nilgiris Plateau, west of Okamand Hill Station, in the northwest corner of Tamil Nadu state in the Western Ghats mountain range of South India. Jaldapara National Park is located in which of the following state? The correct answer is A, that is West Bengal. Jaldapara National Park is national park situated at the foothills of the eastern Himalayas in Alipurduar district of northern West Bengal and on the bank of the Torsa river. Jaldapara is situated at an altitude of 61 meter and is spread across 216.51 kilometer, and it was declared a sanctuary in 1941 for protection of its great variety of flora and fauna. Which of the following is contiguous to Tadoba Adheri Tiger Reserve? The correct answer is A, that is Kaval. So the Tadoba Adheri Tiger Reserve is a wildlife sanctuary in Chandrapur district of Maharashtra state, and it is the Maharashtra's oldest and largest national park, which is created in 1955. The reserve includes the Tadoba National Park and the Andheri Wildlife Sanctuary. The first national park of India is, the correct answer is B, that is Jim Corbett National Park. So it is a national park which is located in the Nainital district of Uttarakhand. And the first national park in India, it was established in 1936 during the British Raj. Bandipur National Park is situated in which of the following Indian states? The correct answer is A, that is Karnataka. So Bandipur National Park is a national park covering 868.63 kilometers in Chamarajnagar district in the state of Karnataka, and it was established as a tiger reserve under Project Tiger in 1973. It is a part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve since 1986. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you.